Hi, this is Gleb Bakhmutov. We have a couple of spec files, we're running them locally, we have a couple of images, and they're passing, and they're saved locally and added to the Git repository. Let's run this bunch of tests on continuous integration service. So in this case, I added this project to CircleCI, and I'm using CircleCI CYPRESS orb to actually run and configure the tests. As you can see, all I have to do is say, I want to run CYPRESS run job that comes from CYPRESS orb. I want to run it on Node 12 base image that has all operating system dependencies. This job will take care of everything: installing dependencies, running CYPRESS tests, and saving the cache. After the run, I want to store CYPRESS snapshots because I want to see what the snapshots were, and if there were any differences, I want to see them right on CircleCI. So I pushed this code and it failed. Right? It went through installation and then it ran the test and then it failed. When I look at the output, I can see that each spec failed, and the message that it says is image size 360 by 136 is different from the same snapshots, which is 680 by 68. And then another test also failed because the image size was 264 by 98 is different from my saved snapshot size 132 by 49. So 98, 49, we can see that the height was twice from what was expected, right? The second spec, the numbers, the same situation, all the dimensions were twice off by a factor of 2. So what was going on? Well, we ran those tests and we generated the snapshot images on MacBook. When you take a screenshot on a Mac operating system in headed mode, in interactive mode, you actually save images with pixel density of 2. That means the actual saved images will be twice as detailed, have twice as many pixels in each dimension as what you would have in headless mode, especially on a Linux system. So all our images, like number select, right, are twice as large in each dimension, width, and twice as height as when they are generated in headless mode. So what we have to do, if we want those resolutions to match what the Linux system does, we have to generate the images not in a headed mode, but in headless mode. That's why I say npx CYPRESS run, which is the headless mode, and I say CYPRESS update snapshot set to true. So I'm setting the environment variable telling CYPRESS image snapshots, hey, save the new snapshots. So when it runs, it will save the images again, and this time they'll be twice as small in each dimension. And this will match what the CI will produce when it does CYPRESS run. So let's wait for this to finish. As you can see now, the images are smaller. All right, the same numbers as reported on CI. Everything has been updated, so we'll have to commit. I use a couple of Git shortcuts. Headless snapshots. Excellent. So now I will push this to CI, and hopefully this time it will pass.